goals. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this? And what do you think needs to be done to address it? Thank you.
I think women are in a gambling space for various reasons, being loneliness. However, to address this, I think we should empower women, or we should establish what we call financial literacy. Financial literacy will help women to understand that budgeting is important. While we are budgeting,